How to change the opacity of layers in Photoshop. I'm opening two images here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this one, select all, copy it, and paste it within the inside of the other document. Now I have to edit, free transform this to shrink it down so it's not too out of proportion. My goal is going to be to show you how to change the opacity of a layer. But first, I need to get it to the right size. I want to keep my changes. I click the check mark in the top corner of the options bar. Now I'm going to use the quick selection tool to select this prairie dog, and then I have to change my brush size a few times to get only the prairie dog selected. I'm going to have to try to subtract some of the background that I accidentally got selected. Then when I have it selected how I want, I actually need to go to select inverse and then delete the background image so I can get rid of all the dirt and sand. I'm trying to isolate this creature on a layer by himself. There we go. So our mission here today is to show you how to change the opacity of a layer. So over in your layers palette, there is a place right here, it's really small, that you have the ability to change opacity from 100% to everything in between to 0. So I've moved it down to 75%. I'm kind of changing the position of this little creature, and as you can see, you have total control, and as you reduce the opacity, we can see through to the layers underneath. You also have something called blending mode that you can change, but today we're going to leave it as normal. When we get our file how we want to go ahead and save it.